In this video I'm going to show you how to find the applications on the Mac. There's a couple of different ways to access the applications from the Mac. You first want to make sure that the Finder window is on the taskbar. You can do this by simply clicking once on the home screen. Then you want to go to Go and come down to Applications. This will open the Applications folder and list all your applications. And as you may have noticed on the applications, there is a shortcode. And you do this by holding Command, Shift and A. This will bring up the Applications folder. The third way is if you're in any folder, you look to the left here on the sidebar and you will see Applications. Clicking this will bring up the Applications folder. If you do not see the Applications folder, you want to come up to the top left hand corner and click Finder, come down to Preferences, and in the Finder Preferences you want to go along the top and click Sidebar. And you want to make sure Applications is ticked. And as you can see here, ticking and unticking the Applications folder adds and removes it from the sidebar. And that is 3 different ways how to find your Applications folder on the Mac. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below, and if you want to see more quick Mac tips like this, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.